Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are exploring Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Starting from the 4th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Intel as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a decline of -2.44%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.22% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the lower part of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $20.19 is breached, it will initially indicate a slower pace of increase and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 14.95% over the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 11.52% to 55.13%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of -43.43%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between -75.75% and -27.99% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price lying somewhere between $5.05 and $14.98. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Intel as Stock Downgraded to Strong Sell Candidate." The Intel stock price declined by 2.44% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, falling from $21.33 to $20.81. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.85%, dipping to a low of $20.18 and reaching a high of $21.36. It has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, with an overall drop of 19.7% during this time frame. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive indication as volume should follow the stock's movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 24 million shares, resulting in a total of 127 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $2.64 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $46.63, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 55.37%, or $25.82, below the 52-week high, and 69.97%, or $48.48, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel's stock is experiencing a significant decline today, with shares dropping nearly 4.7% amid ongoing market turbulence for the semiconductor industry. An important factor contributing to this downturn is Intel's recent struggles with product delays, specifically the postponement of the Panther Lake notebook launch to late 2025, which has raised concerns about the company's competitive position. However, amidst these challenges, Intel has also achieved a noteworthy legal victory by defeating a shareholder lawsuit that alleged fraudulent concealment of Foundry issues. This court decision is expected to alleviate some investor fears following a dramatic $32 billion loss in market value linked to Foundry problems and job cuts. On a broader scale, the semiconductor landscape is becoming increasingly competitive, particularly with TSMC's massive $100 billion investment in U.S. operations, which further secures its market dominance and shifts regional tech leadership. While TSMC is projected to see substantial earnings growth, it puts pressure on Intel to innovate and respond rapidly to maintain its market share. In the short term, These dynamics could continue to impact Intel stock negatively as investor sentiment remains cautious. However, successfully executing its technology advancements and leveraging its recent legal win could provide a pathway for recovery and long-term growth if they can restore confidence in their operational capabilities and market strategy. Investors will be keenly watching how Intel navigates these challenges in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned a neutral grade to INTC with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, Cowen & Company also gave INTC a hold grade accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, Bernstein reported a market perform grade for INTC along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs issued a sell grade for INTC with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, Wedbush assigned an equal weight grade to INTC along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. In terms of return on investment, analysts have also designated the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Intel stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $22.60 and $21.71. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 24.02%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMACD. Volume has declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk since volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that might capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal detected. Pivots, sell signal identified 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal noted 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal observed 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal recorded 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal noted 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal recorded 3 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $20.01. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.18 between its high and low points, which is approximately 5.85%. For the past week, the stock's daily average volatility was around 7.89%. Before we dive into the potential entry points for trading Intel, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is currently incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 1,000/900ths of a dollar. It's essential to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $21.49. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $20.01. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Zinsner David, who bought and sold 494,551 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 70.247. Overall, insiders purchased 2,508,151 shares and sold 456,868 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Intel stock a good buy? The Intel stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we believe Intel will likely perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 6th of March, we anticipate that Intel will open lower by approximately 2.67 cents, starting at $20.78. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.